hard to be whole overnight, but you show me healing happens in the quiet light. Mercy moving slowly, always moving right. You don't shame me for the pace, you just keep me in your grace. It's mercy in slow motion washing over me, grace in gentle ways pulling me to peace. I don't have to rush, I don't have to break. Your mercy moves slowly, but never late. Some days I stumble forward, some days I fall behind, but you walk beside me softly, never leaving me behind. Your love is patient with my pain, patient with my mind. Slow steps, but steady healing. Your mercy is always leading. It's mercy in slow